Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. My name is Lone, and I am delighted to be back with Milestone Homes to present to you this lovely 5 bedroom family home. This family home is very, very chic, guys. It's done to such a great standard. I've decided I'm gonna start with the kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of the home. I love that island. That island makes the space so much more flexible, and you're able to do so much more in here. The doors are humongous, letting in a lot of natural light. I love the flooring in here. There's no decor like furniture in this house, but there is decorations, there is fittings. So you can see that the house has integrated appliances. It's got a lovely fridge freezer. It's got a cooler, a wine cooler there. Great sink with a narrow window, but a window nevertheless, so that that tedious job of dishwashing is not so bad. So you don't have to stare at a wall. We've got 1.5 sink, black sink, which is very unique. And then off the kitchen, of course, is a lovely laundry room. The laundry room has access to the side of the home or the garden. Okay, now we can have a great look at that lovely island. It's got an extractor fan in the middle of the hob, so you get to cook while you're entertaining your family, as the island has space for about 3 bar stools. And off that kitchen, we've got this space which is great for dining space. It's got so much natural light. It's a window galore here. So that would be a great entertainment space because it's so close to the kitchen. Then we've got this humongous lounge space. The lounge space is the one that obviously when you walk into through those double doors, through the first door, there's a downstairs WC. And this downstairs WC is perfect because right after that first door, you can see that, but it also still separates you from the family space and the lounge space. And then we've got this other magic room. Now, this room here could be an office. It could be a study. It could be a bedroom. It could be anything you want it to be. It could be a playroom. I just popped in the floor plan there so you could see kind of how I'm going around this house. It's like a circular vibe. It's very comforting. It's like everything is just around there. The family space down there is like in a little, you can go around it, basically going through the kitchen to the dining to the lounge to the study. You can go around. And then heading upstairs, we have this lovely banistery. And I love that. I love that you can look down at the dining room. Bedroom 1. Now, bedroom 1 is a spacious room. It's got an ensuite, and it's a spacious ensuite, very practical. It's got fitted wardrobes. I believe bedroom 1 could be used as a primary room. It's at the perfect position to be your primary bedroom. And then bedroom number 2 is also very practical, 3-pane window, lovely bedroom, no problems there. So we're gonna head on over to primary bedroom number 3. I think we're in number 3. 2-pane window, facing the front of the room this time, facing the front of the house this time, so you get a glimpse of the neighbors if you're nosy. And then heading to the spacious family bathroom. This family bathroom is huge. Walking through it, I was thinking, wow, there's cartwheel space in here. And then there is a lovely sink, bathtub. I love the designs on the wall. Separate shower, not overhead. It's got heated rails, and I liked that arch window there. Very unique for a bathroom in a new build anyways. We're at bedroom number 4. Bedroom number 4 also faces the front of the house. Spacious bedroom. This one also has an ensuite. I mean, I would definitely go for bedroom 1 as the primary bedroom, as it has the fitted wardrobes and the ensuite. But beautiful tiles in here, gorgeous bedroom, ample space. Yeah, great house. Ready to move in my opinion. The walls are done, it's well decorated, it just needs your touch. And then, of course, we've got a space for your Hoover and everything else. Wonderful. So upstairs there's actually 4 bedrooms. So the space downstairs, that could be a study bedroom, that could be a study or a playroom or whatever. The room downstairs is counted as bedroom number 5. So that's what it's meant by 5 bedrooms. This is the previous home we saw with Milestone Home. If you want to see this home, just go back to my previous videos and you'll see this home. It's got decor, so it gives you a better idea of how you could use different spaces. I love that home. I think it's done to a really high standard. Anyway, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, if you enjoy my videos, if you enjoy my tours, subscribe, share, like. It really helps out my channel. Showing off these Scottish homes is really something I enjoy doing. Yeah, it's also got an optional detached garage. I think I mentioned that. If I haven't, this home has an optional detached garage, so you can add it. That's the house I just showed you, not this one. This is a different house, but yeah, that house can get that. The house goes for 546,000, or if you want the little details, they will be in the description bar below. Guys, if you see me on these tours, you will see my mom, you will see my dad, you will see my husband pop in now and then, but I'm very lucky. I hate driving to these places by myself sometimes, so they tag along with me. Kind of just started as a thing my dad and I did, but I'm very grateful for them. My mom is actually here on YouTube. She does her own thing on YouTube. So if you're interested, I will leave her details in the description bar below. I'll leave her name. Her name is Edith Brown, so it's simple enough. She does all kinds of things. It's very entertaining. So you should go over there and check out her stuff. Don't forget, if you love this type of content, don't forget to subscribe, to share. It really helps out my channel, keeps me motivated too, keeps me going. Like, and share. And I will see you on this next one. Bye.